Let's do a follow the numbers exercise. You will have 60 seconds to complete it. There are no tricks to the exercise. The numbers 1 to 100 are randomly spread over the slide. Start at the number 1 and then locate in sequence as many numbers as possible in the allotted time. Just before the slide advances, you will be notified. Mentally record the last number that you were able to locate before time ran out. 60 seconds begins now. Take note of the last number that you located before the slide advances. What number did you reach? Did you get stuck? Did you notice a pattern as you were going through the exercise? Now let's repeat the same exercise, but this time you will be provided with hints regarding the pattern. You will once again have 60 seconds to complete the exercise. The exercise page has exactly the same numbers in exactly the same places as before. When you are ready to begin, start at the number 1 and then locate in sequence as many numbers as possible in the allotted time. You will notice the pattern is revealed by the horizontal and vertical lines. Using this information, redo the exercise and note the highest number that you reached. 60 seconds begins now. Take note of the last number that you located before the slide advances. What number did you reach? How many numbers higher did you achieve when you repeated the exercise and did so with the aid of an identified pattern? Did you figure out the pattern? If you figured out the pattern, then you noticed number 1, top left quadrant, number 2, top right quadrant, number 3, bottom left quadrant, number 4, bottom right quadrant, and so on. The pattern repeats from top left quadrant to top right quadrant to bottom left quadrant to bottom right quadrant, and so on. Later, we will review the significance of patterns and how your ability to identify patterns can simplify many things that you do in both your personal and professional life, including your ability to identify patterns in people's thinking, personal preferences, behaviors, attitudes, and actions. Here are some thoughts and questions for you to consider regarding patterns. How did identifying the pattern impact your ability to complete the exercise? How might it impact your ability to sell to different personality types if you were able to read people and be better armed to identify patterns in behavior? Have you ever noticed that in most things that you do, there are patterns? How do you feel when the pattern is identified? What does it do to the amount of effort required once the pattern is obvious? Reflect back on the behavioral patterns that were noticed in ancient times and those that we observe in people both personally and professionally. What is the advantage to you? Have you ever noticed people who are always late always seem to be late? Have you ever noticed people who are always detail-oriented are always detail-oriented? Have you ever noticed people who make decisions a certain way always make decisions a certain way? How can the understanding of patterns be used today in business? People are habitual, and your ability to identify behavioral patterns associated with personality styles will significantly enhance your ability to sell with greater ease and confidence. This will also make your interactions with others more enjoyable. You will find it much easier to break the ice with people. You will develop a natural ability to read people and situations and adjust accordingly. Not only will this knowledge make your work more pleasurable, it will shorten selling cycles and increase your closing ratios. When you are consciously in tune with your personality, you are free to fully tap into your potential and surpass even your own expectations in terms of lifetime achievements. Henry James Jr. said, "Ideas are, in truth, forces. Infinite, too, is the power of personality. A union of the two always makes history." Learning Spotlight number 1. It's time to review what we've covered so far. Each question in the quiz has a 90-second time limit, and the quiz has a 15-minute time limit. You cannot pause the quiz once you begin. The quiz includes many types of questions, including true or false, drag and drop, multiple answers, etc. Read the questions carefully and make sure you understand what is being asked before submitting your response. Many of the questions or variations of them will be included in the final exam. You will be graded, and the passing grade for the quiz is 70%. You will have 3 chances to attain a passing grade. If you fail to attain a passing grade after 3 attempts, you will be locked out of the course. You will have an opportunity to review the quiz responses upon successful completion. If you wish to review the previous slides and sections, do so before advancing. Upon completion of the quiz, please click on the green Next button with the white arrow in order to advance to the next step in the learning path. This concludes step number 2 of the learning path. Please click on the green Next button with the white arrow in order to advance when you are ready to proceed.